Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I start in the name of the Allah, the most beneficent and benevolent. In this video today, we are going to discuss about the importance of the 6th September, the Defense Day, Pakistan Defense Day. Why the Pakistanis celebrate Defense Day on 6th September of every year? What is the history behind that day? On 6th September 1965, it is basically the history of the war between Pakistan and India. On 1965, the enemy attacked our borders on September 6, 1965, with view to invade the attacked area. It was a reaction to stop the advance of Pakistani military in India-occupied Kashmir. They mainly attacked the region of Lahore, Sialkot, and the desert areas of the sea. The battle lasted till September 22, 1965, when the both sides accepted the United Nations administered ceasefire. So here we look the importance as well. And Pakistan military was successful in defending not only the areas attacked, but also in protecting the lives of the thousands of civilians and their homes. As such, we owe a duty to honor and respect all the military personnel of our country who gave up their lives so that we, our relatives, and our fellow countrymen could live peacefully. This respect and honor should also extend to all those military personnel who supported our martyrs, risked their lives, and lived to tell the tale. Many of our martyred national heroes were given awards for their gallantry and bravery. The highest military award of Nishan-e-Haider was awarded to Major rIAZ for his extraordinary role in defending the Lahore region areas in 1965. He is among a handful of other gallant and brave military personnel who were martyred and awarded the same award in other battles and wars. They gave the ultimate sacrifice of their lives in the defense of Pakistan. Defense Day is also the day to renew our pledge that we are a strong, proud nation and that we would not be intimidated by any foreign nation, no matter how strong it is. Our military is a symbol of all that and much more. It embodies the fighting spirit, bravery, and tactical acumen of the great nation of Pakistan. And Defense Day is the day to celebrate and remember all that so that we can be strong and give the right message to the young and children of the country. In this day, on the 6th September, a series of military parades and events are organized on Defense Day all over the country. Also, there are some programs held in the schools and colleges, also celebrated at the national level, and praised of our three defense lines, Army, Navy, and Air Force. Latest technologies and advancement in the military warfare are also displayed in military parades. Sometimes test launches of the newly developed weaponry. We all should be proud of our strong military forces and their constitutional role in guarding the physical frontiers and security of our country. We might be facing economic issues, but we are protected from the foreign threats by what many around the world regard as one of the best military forces in Asia. When we salute our past war heroes and we respect their sacrifices. Pakistan military not only engaged in combat during war, but also contributes to the nation in peacetime. The forces also perform humanitarian activities in disaster-hit areas and provide national relief services in the events such as floods, earthquakes, etc. Many of the armed forces institutions such as their schools, colleges, hospitals, etc., working under the control of military provide valuable services to civilians as well. It is never late to honor and salute our national heroes. Any school of community functions can be arranged at any time to honor all those men and women in uniform who have served to defend our country. And therefore, we always say, Pakistan Zindabad, Paindabad.